Hey, welcome back. In this part we will see how can we set up localhost in our computer. I'm Father Ahmed with you. Let's get started. Okay, now we will set up our hosting. We will set up first the localhost. Cause this is free. You don't need any cost to set up this, but only you can see this from your device. You cannot share this with your friends and others. If you want to share or show your website with everyone, then you need to purchase domain and hosting. We will also see this part after set up our localhost. So this is our browser. Now let's type here Bitnami WordPress. Okay, so this is the first link. From here we will click this one, Windows or Mac. Okay, so from here scroll a bit. Here you will find download for Windows 64-bit. Let's click this one. Okay, then here you will see a pop-up for signing. You can sign in or you can simply click this one. No thanks, just take me the download file. Okay, it's started to download. It's 263 MB, so it will take a time. I have already downloaded this file, so let's cancel this one. Okay, so here is the installer file. Let's double click this. Then here is the language option. By default here is English. Let's click OK. Then click to yes. And from here we will click next. Make sure these two checkboxes are checked. Then next. You can change the file location from here. Okay, here is the username. I'm putting here my name. And here is the email address. Then here is the login. I will type here admin, and the password I will put here 1234 and 1234. Please don't use this type of easy password. I'm using this for this tutorial purpose only. Then click to the next. Here it says admins blog. Now click to the next and next, then next again. Okay, it's redirect us to this page. We can close this. So here is our setup, then click next again. Okay, it's installing now. It will take a time. I will coming after finishing this installing. Okay, our install is complete. Now click to this finish. Okay, now our website is open in a new tab. So this is our website URL. You maybe see so type of URL, but this URL is looking like this because this is a local host. Now we will click this one, access WordPress. Okay, so here is our website and this is our URL. You have to save this URL or you have to remember this URL, because every time you want to see or you want to log in your website, you need this address. We will type wp-admin, then enter. So here is the username and here is the password option. The username was admin and the password was 1234. Now let's check this, remember me, and click to this login. Okay, we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard in localhost. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It will inspire us to create this kind of valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye and good luck.